So, this is a love reading for you, Scorpio, from November to December. In this reading, I'm going to take out these cards for you and your love interest and see how's the guidance for the month. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Scorpio, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. After this video, I have also attached one more very quick small reel which is about my tarot shop. You want to have a look at it, and the links I have given is in the description box. So you can go through the links and then see whichever tarot reading or psychic reading, runestone reading, a new year reading that you want to book, and you can write to me. Also is attached my newsletter, which is the November newsletter. You can download it, share it with as many people. So now let us see, Scorpio, how is the reading looking for you. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring? What your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the love reading? Guidance for the love reading. So let us see. So Scorpio, first of all, I'm seeing is there are a lot of sticks. So the two of you are very outspoken, very action oriented people, and there is just so much the two of you have to do every day. You both are quite an achiever in your own way, where you want to do everything by yourself. Some of you may not be having any domestic help, you may not be having any helpers of any kind at home, and you must be doing all the work by yourself. Also, I'm seeing is that instead of taking inspiration about how to go about things, you're starting to chase perfection, almost to the point that he's or she's looking like this, or their marriage is like this, or they are together since so long and they have so much love between them. We are not there yet, or we don't get along so well. So I'm just saying that there may be some energy of comparison between the two of you, and this guidance is just telling me there may be a lot of times the two of you just start talking, and then without warning it just turns into some kind of a verbal argument. So it may be happening a little bit too many times, and Scorpio, you may be the one who gets affected by some words or some comparison or some jealousy that is happening. Also I am seeing is the two of you want to do a lot of things together, but for whatever reason you are not able to do it. Either you both are busy, or there is just so much work to do that the two of you are not able to do so many things together in the relationship. So right now when I see the guidance that who are you, Scorpio, and who is your partner, I'm just seeing is you are someone who does not like to even have a small conflict or argument about anything, because it's just then you will like to settle the outcome or how things are. And your partner is someone who has a lot of work to do, and he or she also is not able to invest much into the relationship. The two of you are very busy right now as I see it. Now what is the strength and challenges you bring, Scorpio, and your partner brings? So one I'm seeing is that because of certain fight or some words got spoken, you are carrying or nursing a broken heart, or you are carrying a lot of pain in your heart. And this may be because your partner is not doing as many things in the relationship. But the truth is, Scorpio, neither are you. The two of you don't have time, and you are more hurt, but your partner is not as hurt as you are. Now what is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing? I'm seeing is your partner is not moving forward. He or she is saying that unless we set this equation right in a certain way, or we both are in a certain way, let us not make promises, let us not make commitments, or I will not say this to you, or I don't want to take this leap of faith with you just yet. So the two of you are holding back in the relationship, and the reason is you both have some small fight of some kind where you both started talking and then it turned into some small fight. And the other is both of you don't seem to have enough time, for each other or to do things in the relationship. How do you see your partner, Scorpio, and how does your partner see you? Scorpio, you see your partner as someone very, very genuine, someone very kind and very true. It's almost that you know your partner will not tell lies to you and will always, say or will accept whatever is your love offer. So you seem to be more in charge here, Scorpio, of the relationship. And you find your partner as someone who's very gentle and very, very kind and true. So you see a lot of sincerity in your partner, and this alone may be keeping the two of you together. How does your partner see you? Well, your partner sees that you can be very controlling, Scorpio, almost to the point that you're stifling them or you're not letting them have any freedom. Some of you need to let go of this energy. Your partner may be very unhappy with you over a lot of things, and one of them is that you have this energy of controlling. So you need to let this go, Scorpio, for this relationship to really develop beautifully, because your partner feels you don't give them as much freedom, you don't let them, go anywhere or, enjoy their money or success or beauty in a certain way. You may be little bit conservative or orthodox in your approach, because I'm seeing is your partner has a very different energy of how he or she sees you. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? Okay. So one is Scorpio, you see a marriage definitely with your partner. That marriage will definitely happen, and you both will make or solidify this relationship in the future. You're very, very positive about it, and you totally see it happening. About your partner feels that this will be a very rewarding relationship where there will be lot of money and good life. So your partner also is very positive about the future. And I don't know then, if the cards are so beautiful, what is the fight about, or why are the other cards so like this? And I'm just saying that maybe, Scorpio, you said something to your partner and he or she then put up their defense, and then some fight happened. Otherwise the cards are so promising about the future. It's also possible the two of you may be engaged, or you both may have made some commitment to each other, and now, while cards are all beautiful and strong, there is this small energy of trying to get to know each other, or some small things that you need to get over with in the relationship. So what is the past you're coming from, Scorpio, and your partner is coming from? In the past, you're not a people pleaser, Scorpio, so it's not important for you that you have 100 friends, and it is also not important for you that you are keeping all the friends happy and they're saying some great things about you. You can be sometimes amazingly happy just by being yourself, and not having a whole troop of best friends with you. So your energy is like this. You have quite an individualistic personality, and you're not going out trying to have as many friends for yourself. And what is the past your partner is coming from? Your partner may have been traveling or staying somewhere overseas or some other country in the past and has now come back. So he or she may have done their stint overseas or abroad and have come back. So this is how I'm seeing the guidance. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? There is a lot of love, and you both are very emotionally connected to each other, almost to the point that you can say your heart or mind to the other person. There is very beautiful energy of being able to connect with the other person, and there's just this very deep emotional bond the two of you share with each other. And this relationship is very precious to both of you. You see, this is a guidance of a keeper, so you both want to make this relationship work, and you definitely see children together, family time together. So it's a beautiful guidance, and maybe there are some small hiccups here or there. Otherwise this relationship is looking very very strong and going good for the two of you.